test on August 7, 1996.
That is, 11 years ago.
Exactly, because our last time was in You know why? Because you can check during that time. Someone take the test in August 7, 1995. Sabi, ang 1995. Because for you not to copy each other. And that is different. Kaya yung mag-upload.
Dahil mo na ma-upload.
Upload ka.
Dahil mo na ma-upload, promise. Promise.
There are 50 items in that test. Yes.
How long?
There are so difficult. That's only one of them. The maximum score for the entrance test last year.
That is not
The maximum is. I forgot. Wait, it was about 25.
That is not the maximum, that is the highest.
And the minimum is 34.
Wow!
That's why our school is very good here.
Very good.
You know why? Because 35 is bonus. And these are so pathetic that people get the bonus item. Okay, by the way, before August 7, we will have an interview tomorrow. But we won't use the time machine because it is very expensive for video. Interview, so what is that? For example,
It's interviewer.
yes, interview. For example, I will ask you, what is your name?
Me.
No, you
Kate.
will not pass if that is your Okay, there are some names that we should
What should be the answer?
There are some names that we should consider in our school. We have the names Anna, Jose, and Juan.
Only those names,
Only these names are accepted.
Oh, my name is Marcel.
No, they have the janitors, not the students. Okay, so
We're students.
these are the hints, the pointers to review in the entrance test. Biology is 5%. Yes.
What's that?
5%. I'm sorry.